The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, aluminum wheels, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, navigation package, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.